Okay, you should be ready to go over the answers to these two workbook pages. I think what I'll do this time is give you the answers first and let you check them, and that way you can fast forward through the rest of the video and just focus on the ones that you need help on. All right, so for the first page, 25, number 1, 31.4, number 2, 15.7, number 3, 47.1. Now, they didn't really say what to round to on these problems, so on any of them, if you have a slightly different answer, it's probably okay. All right, back to number 4 is 17.27, 5, 75.36, 6 is 41.448, 7 is 15.7, 8 is 6.28, 9 is 31.4, and you'll notice this one and this one were actually the same problem. And then number 10, 75.36, which was the same as number 5. So on those, on one of them they gave you the radius, while on the other they gave you the diameter. Okay, page 39 answers. Number 1, 153.9. Now these, they do say that you should round them to the nearest tenth. So please make sure you've rounded correctly. Number 2, 1256, 1256. Number 3, 28.3. Okay, so number 4 was 706.5. Number 5, 530.7. Number 6, 5,539.0. It rounded up the 9 to a 10. If you left off the 0.0, that's fine. Number 7 is 2.5. Number 8, 1,962.5. And number 9, 15.2. If you didn't miss any, go ahead and do the homework check on the Google form. If you missed any, make sure you fast forward to the explanation for that particular question. Let me know if you need any help to get the correct answers. All right, on page 25 for the circumference, it's always going to be pi times the diameter. So 3.14 times 10, 3.14 times 5, 3.14 times 15. Okay. On number 4, multiplying by 5.5. On number 5, multiplying by 24. Number 6, watch all those decimals. Make sure you enter that into the calculator very carefully, and I'll actually do that one with you. So if I have 3.14 multiplied by 13.2, there's the answer, 41.448. Now the last 3, they give you the radius. So make sure you double them to get the diameter. So this one should have been 3.14 times 5, 75.36 is not the correct answer. It is 15.7, sorry. And then number 8, 3.14 times 2 is 6.28. Okay. 5 and 5 is 10 when you double it. 3.14 times 10 is 31.4. Notice these two are the same. In this case, they gave you the diameter. In this case, they gave you the radius. Where on number 10, the radius is 12, the diameter would be 24, so these two are the same problem, 75.36. All right, let's go through the area questions. If I went too fast, we would pause and rewind. All right, pi times the radius squared, and it does say to the nearest tenth. So 7 times 7 is 49. 3.14 times 49. The 6 will make it round up to 153.9. So watch your rounding carefully on these. Number 2, 20 times 20 is going to be 400. So that's going to give you 1,256. 3 times 3 on number 3 is going to give you 9. 3.14 times 9 is 28.26, but the 6 will make it go up to a 3. Again, watch your rounding very carefully. On number 4, 15 times 15 is 225. Okay. Multiply by the pi, and you get 706.5. Okay, moving on to problem 5. 13 times 13 would give you a radius squared of 169. Oh, put down my red pen. That's okay. 3.14 times 169 is the 530.66, so it'll round to 0.7. Okay. Number 6, definitely want a calculator on that one. Let's just go ahead and work it out with the calculator steps. 3.14 times 42 squared. You get 5538.96. So the 6 would make the 9 go up to a 10, which is 5539. All right, number 7, you have a 0.9 squared. Well, 0.9 times 0.9 is 0.81. So 3.14 multiplied by 0.81 gives you 2.5434. So just 2.5 is fine. All right, 25 times 25 is 625. Multiplied by 3.14 is 1,962.5. And then the last one, 2.2 times itself is 4.84. Multiplied by the pi, and you get 15.1976. So the 9 will make it round up to 15.2. Be sure to rewatch any of this that you might have had trouble with.